I was recently able to acquire this 250-pound little giant. I saw it on Facebook Marketplace and thought it was a misprint, that it was maybe a 25-pound little giant, but it was in fact a 250-pound. The previous owner had taken the hammer apart so he could restore it. It was all in pieces when I got down there, which is probably a good thing because it weighs 6,000 pounds without the motor. And so if you're watching the video here coming up, just the frame itself was heavy enough to lift the back wheels off of this skid loader as the guy was loading it on my trailer.
This guy has ran some equipment. Whoa.
There you can hear that we wanted to put the hammer back further on the fork so it would give us a little better leverage on it. There you can see on the front of the trailer is the, what I believe is called the spider, and the flywheel assembly. There it is, all loaded up with me, my buddy Tyrell, and my son Ransom. Here you can see on the tractor that I have at home, we had to take the bucket and grapple fork off and run a chain further back onto the loader to be able to lift it off the ground without lifting the back of the tractor up. We eased our way into the garage, my son helping guide the way. We eased it in over onto a wooden pad that we had made and got it situated into the garage where we wanted it. I did not take any videos of putting the hammer back together. After looking at all the parts, everything was in great shape. I didn't think that it needed to be restored at all. The hammer was running really slow, so I wasn't 100% sure what was going on. Well, the belt was slipping on the bottom, on the motor side, so I tightened that up and added one more belt. There was 2 belts on it, and I added another one, and then it finally started working like it's supposed to. And here is the first hot steel run through this hammer in many years. Right here, I wanted to see what the control was like with this hammer, so I was trying to run it slow with nice soft hits just to see what it was like. this thing to good use in my shop.